Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you have an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because it's not makeup related at all. It is a state swap video with my friend FoodMakeupSkin. And guys, I am so excited for this video because I live in North Carolina. She lives in Michigan. So she got some items from Michigan, sent them my way, and then I sent her some items from North Carolina. And we may or may not be meeting in August. She is taking a trip to North Carolina and I am so excited. Oh my gosh, it's just been so much fun meeting my YouTube friends in real life. I met up with my Carolina girls earlier this year and then I plan on meeting Joy's Beauty Johns. August is very exciting meeting Laura and Joy. I already ripped open the box that Laura sent. Cookies and cream. I cannot wait to dive into this video. I will link my Collabs playlist to watch previous videos. And if you're visiting from Laura's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Cookies and cream. I have to just rip open this box and we have all of this confetti and girl, there are cookies in here. We got 3 cookies. Look at this. First of all, these are almost too pretty to eat. Looks like there's like white chocolate in here, maybe. I don't know. We're gonna do a taste test. It says, thank you so much for your order. Post your cookies and tag us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you'll be entered to win $100 in cookies gift cards. Oh, hell yeah. We know you will fall in love with our cookies. When the craving strikes, use this code for 15% off your next order. Thank you, 15. All right. And it's a small local business. That was one thing I did want to focus on sending Laura. I went to 2 local stores and then of course being in North Carolina, barbecue is our thing. So spoiler alert, she might have some barbecue on her way. Okay, so I am going to open up this individual cookie. I really like how it is sealed in here. That way it can stay for maximum freshness. And I swear if I need scissors, we're going to struggle because I don't know where my scissors are. These are airtight for sure. All right, I had an earring, so I kind of just took that and ripped it open. North Carolina, we are known to be a little ratchet. So I broke off the piece of cookie. It is super soft. Taste test, here we go. Girl, this is amazing. Like, I normally just gravitate towards chocolate chip cookies. This tastes like a sugar cookie. At least I think that's white chocolate. Oh my god. Super soft. That's a damn good cookie. Don't forget, use the code THANKYOU15 off your order. I know I will be using it. I have seen her post about cookies and cream on her TikTok. Everything looks amazing. So I'm like really excited. She sent me something from their shop. I need to savor this cookie. I might share one with Griffin if he's lucky. 11 out of 10. So if you ever plan on visiting Michigan, which I do eventually, it's on my bucket list to go to every NHL stadium. I don't know how far the Detroit Red Wings stadium is for my cookies and cream, but I'm definitely gonna make my way over there, buy some more of these bomb ass cookies, and try whatever else that they have. And then she sent me something else from a small local business. This is over at Ariel's Collection on Etsy and Instagram. I definitely need milk with those cookies. Ooh, they're cold. I love that. I definitely need to wear more jewelry for sure. I definitely need this because I'm an Aries. I have no patience. I have a lot of rage. It doesn't help that I'm an Enneagram 8 as well. So yeah, if you know anything about Aries or the Enneagrams, you'll know patience and rage are definitely up there for both. So this is awesome. I will definitely be wearing this Monday through Friday if you catch my drift. Then we got a little free gift of Lake Mule stones right here. Take on the go. Either put them in the car for road rage, put them in Griffin's room for when he games. You never know. This is really cool. Thank you, Laura, so much. I am so excited about everything. The jewelry definitely hit up Ariel's collection if you're into stones and gems like this, and cookies and cream for sure. I am very impressed. This cookie is going to be devoured by the time I shut off this camera. I would love to know, what other gems do you recommend? That has always been something I'm curious in, but I haven't really done my part in research with it. Let me know your favorite ones in the comments below. Have you tried cookies and cream? Oh my gosh, let me know in the comments below your recommendations, or if you have any local bakeries or something. This was such a fun idea, and I hope Laura enjoys her stuff. Her video will be linked in the description below to see what I sent her from North Carolina. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.